Affiliate marketing traffic. We're going to be talking about affiliate marketing traffic for beginners. I'm going to give you something that you can pick and choose. Your situation might not fit the other person's situation. So that's why I'm giving you 3 types of traffic. This is how I started, and this is how most of the top affiliates in the world got started as well. As you know, without traffic, you don't have anything, even if you have the best product in the world. So I'm going to show you step by step on my computer exactly what you need to do. All I need you to do is a courtesy. And the courtesy is very simple. Subscribe, drop a like, and make sure to share this video. All right, Mark Daniels here. And as I promised, we're going to go ahead and talk about affiliate marketing traffic. I'm going to go ahead and just take you by the hand step by step and show you exactly the blueprint that you should follow to dominate the market, especially in the beginning. So let's go ahead and start with number 1. You need to understand that there are 3 types of traffic. The first one is traffic you don't control. You have no control about it. This is going to be a free method. That means social media, blogs, things like that. For example, like on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter, and so forth. Blogs, if you have a blog, or if you are part of forums and things like that, and you have good following, a lot of friends and things like that, you can make sales very quickly. And it's not working if you don't have a big following, because it's very difficult to get the following. It takes a long time to sell them. But if you already have a following, that's good. No problem. The second one is traffic you control. It's a paid method. Now, this one is a free method, obviously, okay, because you already have the following, you have the social media connection. This is the paid method. That means you have to place Google ads, Facebook ads, YouTube ads. Now, this is a paid method. So if you have the money to do it, it's great. But Google ads, Facebook ads, and so forth are very difficult for affiliate marketing. Google always change their algorithm. Same thing with Facebook. So I just want to let you know that you might face some issues right here because you have to really be good. I'm not saying you can't do it. You can, but it's going to be very difficult. All right, let's go ahead and move on to the traffic that you own. This is the best type of traffic is email list. For example, if you have an email list for a lot of people, this is fantastic because you control that. It's 100% yours. We're going to go ahead and talk about the pros and cons for each one because there's no one method fits all. Number 1, talk about that traffic you don't control. We do have pros and we do have cons. What are the pros? It's a good content. So if you do have good content on your social media and if you have good followers, this is awesome. You can go ahead and start making sales and pitching whatever you are trying to sell. The bad thing about it, you don't own that platform. Change of algorithm that could stop people from coming to you, or they can ban your account for some mistake that you have done. It happened so many times. All right, let's go ahead and move on into traffic you control. And we're going to talk about the pros and cons as well. The pros is very good because they do have a large pool of people that qualify. In other words, they are in different sub markets, and then all you have to do is just grab them by doing filtering as far as your ad, because you can control that traffic that is coming to you based on what these people are interested in. Are they interested in health, wealth, or relationships? The cons about that is so difficult for affiliate marketers to do that. The reason for that is that social marketing world don't like the affiliate marketing concept. They don't. Of course, you're gonna face possible ban. Did it happen? Yes, it happens every day because somebody made a mistake and that mistake cost them a lot. Now, the third thing we're gonna talk about is traffic you own. I'm talking about the pros and cons for the 3 types of traffic that I just mentioned. There's only 3. There is no other than 3. Now, traffic you own. Start with the pros first. This is basically the best type of traffic. Mainly, you have your own email list. That means the people that you have in your email list, these are people, actual human beings that you have their email address for a reason or another. There is no cons about that. I mean, there's nothing bad about it at all. You can print the list, you can move the list, you can send them something anytime you want to. Nobody has anything. It's your own platform. Number 3, the best affiliate traffic source for affiliate marketing. And of course, I am talking about affiliate marketing traffic for the beginner. I'm going to tell you what are the success criteria. I'm going to go over them. There are 3 of them. Whatever you are using, it has to be affiliate friendly. The most friendly for affiliate marketers is YouTube ads. Number 2, it has to be fast. You want something fast in 24 hours. You don't want to spend a month trying to get 10 leads. Plus, it has to be targeted. There are 3 ways. One of them is health, wealth, and relationship. Those health, wealth, and relationship should be your niches and sub niches. These are very important for you because a lot of people, when they first get started, they get confused, frustrated, and they end up quitting because they don't know the information that I'm telling you. This is a gold mine and it's free. My recommendation, based on the years that I have been doing it, is Udemy. The reason I like Udemy is because they have a network of solo ads providers. They do have people, or they have customers, or they have potential leads for you in health, wealth, and relationships. The other thing is they do have a large database of contacts with email addresses, and you tell them what you are looking for, and what they do, they give you the target traffic. You tell them, I want people that are interested in wealth. Okay, they want to make money online, for example. Whatever it is, you tell them, they say yes or no, they have it. The good thing about it is that people do give them a rating. The other thing is that you really need to know is that they will not give you, their email addresses. They send you that traffic to your own landing page. Okay, when people opt in to your landing page, it doesn't matter what it is. When they opt in, obviously you do have their email address, and then you can add it to your autoresponder. This is very important, what I talked about. Now, in case you have any questions, make sure you put it in the comment area, because I do look at every single question, and traffic is the most important and the most challenging. If you want to master the affiliate marketing world, watch this playlist up here. It has everything that you need to, including some good downloads. If you want to build a good conversion landing page with 40% conversion, watch this video here. And as usual, I'll see you at the top.